How to fix PS5 not connecting to Wi-Fi. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix your PS5 if it is not connecting to your Wi-Fi, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix if your PS4 is not connecting to your Wi-Fi, all you have to do is simply first of all come to settings, and then maybe you are coming to the network tab, and then you're just going to settings here. You go to setup internet connection tab, but then over here you'll be able to notice that you do not see your Wi-Fi, or maybe you're not being able to connect to it. So what are some of the things that you can do? So first of all, you can just try to press the options button on your controller here. Once you try to press the options button, you can just go to advanced settings and simply try to configure and connect using all of this SSID and so on. Otherwise, what you can also basically do is you can simply go to Wi-Fi frequency band and then make sure to select to automatic. If that doesn't work, you can just set it to 5 GHz over here, and once you've done that, you should be able to see a list of 5 GHz network that are actually available, and then you can connect with them. Otherwise, what you can also do is you can simply click the scan networks option. It will basically scan a list of networks that are basically available for you to connect. Last but not the least, basic knowledge, just make sure that your password is basically correct. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.